Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn future perfect tense. पूर्ण भविष्यकाळ. Formula: subject plus shall/will plus have plus verb third form plus object. Uses of future perfect tense. आता आपण पूर्ण भविष्यकाळाचा वापर शिकूया. Future perfect tense is used to explain an activity that will be completed by a certain time in the future. भविष्यातील काही विशिष्ट समयी ज्या क्रिया पूर्ण होणार आहेत त्याविषयी बोलताना पूर्ण भविष्यकाळ वापरतात. For example, by the end of this month, I will have worked here for 10 years. He will have left before you go to see him. I shall have written my exercise by then. You will have gone to work. We use time expressions such as by the time, by then, by the year 2015, by May 20th to describe these kind of activities. Examples of future perfect tense. आता आपण पूर्ण भविष्यकाळाचे काही एक्झाम्पल्स पाहूया. By this time tomorrow night, we will have arrived in Australia. I will have finished my work when you arrive. By the next week, I will have finished my assignment. The plane will have landed by that time. We will have studied before we take the test. They will have played football. She will have read the book by the weekend. He will have written a speech. I will have started the journey before the sun rises. They will have completed the work before the sunset.